What's good, guys? Have you ever seen someone's video and said, "Damn, that's slow-mo"? Well, in this video, I'll teach you how to do it with your smartphone. Slow-mo is great. Videos in slow-mo look cinematic, but beginners be like, "Ooh, I just shot some video, I'm gonna slow it down and it's gonna look cool." But when you look at the results, it's choppy, it's not smooth. You just want to throw the camera out thinking you could never be the same as them. So here are the steps to achieving buttery smooth slow-mo. Number 1, get an app that can do manual video. You need an app that could let you tweak settings like FPS and shutter speed. These two are important in achieving buttery smooth slow-mo. Number 2, set your phone to shoot at higher FPS like 60 or 120 frames per second. It just depends on what phone you're using. So just search for it and you got this. Number 3, whatever FPS you chose, just double that and set it as your shutter speed. This is the 180-degree rule. As to why we use it, I'm gonna make a video on it soon. So don't forget to click up top to subscribe to learn more. And now you're ready to shoot some buttery smooth slow-mo. Fourth and final step is the edit. For this, I'll use LumaFusion, but you can do this on any editor. Set the frame rate of the timeline to 24. This is the most cinematic frame rate. Bring your clip to the timeline. If you chose 60 FPS, slow it down to 40%. If you chose 120 FPS, slow it down to 20%. This way you take the high FPS and conform it to 24, and you're done. It's that easy. So go into the world and see the beautiful things around you and make them last longer by slowing them down. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and click that like button. See you in the next one.